Hello friends, my name is Shahab and you are watching MShahabOfficial. In today's video, I am going to teach you guys how to pump down a split AC. That is, how is the gas locked in a split AC? What you guys are seeing in the video is the outdoor unit of split AC. I needed to move this unit from one room to another. I thought why not share it with you guys. How to store gas in a split AC before removing it. Today I am going to take down this same unit and pump down it. What does it mean to pump down? I'm going to teach you with detail friends, and you are going to learn. Tell me one more thing, if you friends watch this video in its entirety, so you friends won't need to watch another video on this topic. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. The first thing you need to do to pump down a split AC is to turn on the internal unit. We will turn on the internal unit and set its temperature to 16 degrees Celsius. And we will put it on cooling as you see in the video. Now I'll take you upstairs to the outdoor unit. As you can see in the video, the outdoor unit is turned on and the fan is also running. You have to be satisfied with one thing here. It has two lines. This is what you see in front of you, called the suction line. What happens underneath what I'm showing you in the video is the discharge line. Friends, now I'm going to tell you what tools are used in this entire process, in which the first is Allen key, second is screwdriver, third is adjustable wrench, and fourth is combination pliers. Friends, now we have to lift the adjustable and open the cap that is attached to the top of the suction wall, which you can see in the video. After this, we will also open the cap on top of the discharge wall, as you can see in the video. Now you can see the Allen bolts on top of it. We will close these bolts with the help of an Allen key. Now we will gently close the Allen key bolt that is installed on the discharge wall with the help of an Allen key. We will close this so that the condenser do not leak more gas. Friends, the gas that was in the discharge line will now go through the suction line to the compressor and be stored there. Remember one thing, the thick tube will be the suction line and the thin tube will be the discharge line. Now this will go inside the through compressor of the suction line. This is the compressor is mounted here and it will collect inside it. Friends, after that you have to place your hand in front of the outdoor unit's fan in the same way. When you get cold air, you will realize that the gas that was left in the discharge line has accumulated in the through compressor of the suction line. After that, what you have to do is close the Allen key bolt that is installed on the top of the suction valve. Friends, now we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will close the valve that is installed above the suction line. You are seeing me waving my hand in front of the outdoor fan. It has just started blowing cool air. As soon as it starts giving off cold air, we have to start closing the valve at the same time. One thing to keep in mind is that as soon as you close the valve, there should be someone with you to turn off the AC at the same time. Now I'm starting to close the valve, which will be complete. So we have to turn off the AC at the same time. Now this valve has been closed, and I have told the servant to turn off the AC. You can see this in the video. You notice that the fan of the outdoor unit has slowed down. This means that the AC has turned off. Friends, with the outdoor unit shut down, our split AC pump down process is complete. After that, we just have to dismantle it as you see in the video. And similarly, you have to dismantle the lines and also dismantle the power supply. After that, we will go outside and look at the two tubes you can see. These are the same tubes. It has a discharge line that is thin and a suction line that is thick. What do we have to do now because these were long? We have to open them too. As you can see in the video, we will use adjustable for this. And we will open the suction line first and then open the discharge line. Friends, as you can see, I am starting to open the joint that was installed in the suction line. And just like that, it is open with us. Now I am starting to open the joint that was installed above the discharge line. And similarly, it has also become open with us. Friends, now we have to break it so that the suction and discharge line going to the inner unit are open with us. And we were able to remove the internal unit easily. Both lines are now open with us. Friends, now we will go to the indoor unit side. As you can see, I have come to the indoor unit side. Now what you have to do is take out the internal unit. You will see a stand inside. If there are hooks inside the stand, you have to gently remove the internal unit from those hooks. In the video you see I am starting to remove the internal unit. Similarly, we remove the internal unit. What you see on the wall is the stand. Friends, this process has been completed with us, and we have dismantled the split AC without loss of gas. If you have any questions in mind about this complete process, you can ask in the comments section. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel.